Did you know that global investment in fintech companies has grown from $9 billion in 2010 to over $200 billion in recent years? The fusion of finance and technology is revolutionizing the way we handle money and conduct business. Many traditional financial institutions struggle to keep pace with the rapid advancements in financial technology. This can lead to outdated systems, inefficient processes, and vulnerability to disruptive competitors. Without proper understanding of fintech, organizations risk losing market share and relevance in an increasingly digital financial landscape. At the personal level, finance professionals often feel overwhelmed by the array of new technologies transforming their industry. They may lack confidence in areas like blockchain, artificial intelligence in finance, or digital payment systems, limiting their ability to innovate and adapt. This cutting-edge certification course addresses these challenges by providing a comprehensive overview of the fintech landscape. It covers key areas such as digital banking, blockchain technology, AI in finance, and regulatory technology, RegTech. Participants benefit from gaining a deep understanding of how technology is reshaping finance. They learn about the latest fintech innovations, their practical applications, and the potential risks and opportunities they present. The course also covers strategies for implementing fintech solutions in traditional financial environments. For organizations, the impact is transformative. With FinTech certified professionals, companies can drive digital transformation, improve operational efficiency, and develop innovative financial products and services. This leads to enhanced competitiveness, improved customer experiences, and new revenue streams. On a personal and team level, participants develop into fintech leaders within their organizations. They gain the confidence to drive technological innovation, contribute to strategic discussions on digital finance, and position themselves at the forefront of the financial industry's evolution. Don't let the fintech revolution pass you by. Enroll in this certification course today and become a pioneer in the exciting world of financial technology, equipped to drive innovation and success in the digital age of finance.